Hey friends, this is In Moments Like These in the key of G, and it's a simple way to chord along to this song. I've kind of stripped it down to the absolute basics so that you can chord and have so much fun. All right, make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, you will find the printable chord sheet that I have prepared for you, and it'll make a lot more sense as we go along. So in this song, we have the chords G, C, D, and then we have an E minor, and an A minor. So just those five chords. So let's go through those. So if you look for this group of 3 black notes and you play every other note, you will come into the G chord. Okay, G, B, D. Okay, and when you move up here to the C position, so here's a C note. There's group of 2. Here's a C note. C, E, G makes a C chord. Okay, move up one set of notes there and you pick up this black note in the middle, and this is D, F sharp, A. That's a D chord, and this is just a triangle shape, if that helps to remember that as a shape. Okay, all right, then our E minor is right next door to our D. So here's E minor, E, G, B. Okay, and then our A minor was down here just right after the G note. A, C, E. Okay. All right. So let's just review those 5 chords. So here was the G chord. A minor is right next door. Hop up to the C. D, triangle shape. And then our E minor right next door. Okay, so left hand is going to be playing single notes down here. I'm just going to keep it simple. So we're going to put pinky on G. Remember, it's tucked between those 3 black notes. And then line up my 5 fingers and keep my hand here this whole song without moving. So I'm going to play G when I play this G chord. Okay. Then we're going to play A minor to A in the bass. C to C. D triangle to D single note down here. And then when we play that E minor, just open up this thumb 1 note and play that E. I wouldn't move your hand out of position or you're going to lose kind of where you're at. So here's E minor to E in the bass. All right. So I'm going to sing and play through verse 1, and then we're going to break it down into what it looks like when we figure out what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together, the rhythm. All right. In moments like these, I sing out a song. I sing out a love song to Jesus. In moments like these, I lift up my hands. I lift up my hands to the Lord. So we are doing this rhythm called 1-to-3 ratio, and this works really beautifully with songs that are in 3/4 time signature. So you're just doing this rhythm together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, and so on. Okay, when you add that to a chord, it looks like this. And I'll move my fingers out of the way in my right hand so you can see which notes I'm playing. Together, right, right. Together, right, right. Okay, just get that nice marching rhythm into your hands before you go further. Okay, so let's talk about patterns. In this song, I've kind of taken out a lot of chords that are complex, or often chords are songs that have a chord per word, and that can be overwhelming if you're a beginner. So let's take a look at the verse. We have lines 1 and 3 that are the same. They repeat. Lines 2 and 4 are the same. Okay, take a look at that chorus. We have lines 1 and 2 are the same. Lines 3 is very similar to line 1, so to speak. You just have an extra couple chords. And then the 4th just kind of has this I love you ending. But otherwise, there is a lot of repetition, and this song's pretty short anyway. We just have 1 verse and 1 chorus. All right, so if you want to just play it right hand only when you're kind of going through it the first time, you might want to remove the left hand altogether and just get your hands used to going from chord to chord. All right, so we're going to start out here with this G chord, and we're going to get going here, and I'm going to slow it down for you. In moments like, okay, here's that E minor. Open your thumb in your left hand. these. I, A minor, sing out a D chord. Here's that triangle. Song, I, A minor, sing out a D. Love song to G, G, D, thus in G chord. Moments like E minor, open that thumb up. These, I, A minor, lift up my D hands. I, A minor, lift up my D hands to the G. Lord, singing. Here's that C chord. Go moving into the chorus. I move up to the D, so you're right next door. Love you, G. Lord, repeat. Singing, C chord. I, D. Love you, G. Lord, singing, C chord. I, D. Love, G. You, C. Lord, G. I, D. Love, G. You. So, like I said, look for those patterns in your music, lines 1 and 3 in the verse, and lines 2 and 4, repeat. Take it into sections. Do the verse by itself, then the chorus, maybe even just do right hand only, then left hand only, then bring the two hands together. So baby steps, you can do it. I'm going to play it beginning to end and sing along as I go. You can play and sing along with me. If you make a mistake, just find the next line or the next chord that you can hop in. Don't give up. I believe in you. You can do it. Here we go. In moments like these, I sing out a song. I sing out a love song to Jesus. In moments like these, I lift up my hands. I lift up my hands to the Lord, singing, I love you, Lord. Singing, I love you, Lord. Singing, I love you, Lord. I love you. In moments like these, I sing out a song. I sing out a love song to Jesus. In moments like these, I lift up my hands. I lift up my hands to the Lord, singing, I love you, Lord. Singing, I love you, Lord. Singing, I love you, Lord. I love you. Singing, I love you. In moments like these, I sing out a song. I sing out